Being able to work with young kids and watch them grow is the most amazing thing. They just want to learn how to do anything and everything, and having the opportunity to help them realize their potential is the most rewarding part of being a teacher.
For me, teaching is not just a job, it's a vocation. It is amazing for me to come to class and have my students come to me and hug me, kiss me, and not just teaching them, I'm learning from them as well.
I'm not only a teacher, I am a confidant, I'm a mentor, and I'm a friend also.
Through teaching, I can be close to many hearts and many homes.
They are part of my heart, they are part of me, and I'm really, really proud of them.
I think a teacher needs to be kind and caring and very patient. And they also need to be able to treat the children as they would treat their own children.
To inspire them, and they get to inspire you as well to do your best every day when it comes.
Hi everyone, thanks for coming early. Well, newsflash, we're not going to be doing the training at Trianon today. We've got actually some buses that are coming to take you to a secret location.
Just like an amazing environment, being with the kids, with my colleagues, with my directors. I just love it to be a part of Children's Recommendation.